Crocktober Giveaway. Win big with an amazing slow cooker prize. Contest period. When will it begin and end? Crocktober Giveaway begins on October 15th, 2024 at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time and ends on October 31st, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Prize, what will I win? This beautiful 10-in-1 electric multi-cooker black sesame crockpot by Drew Barrymore. Eligibility for requirements. Giveaway is open only to legal residents of the 50 United States and the District of Columbia who have reached the legal age of majority in their jurisdiction of residence at the time of entry. Odds of winning. The odds of winning the prize depend on the number of eligible entries submitted and received in accordance with these rules. How to enter. You must comment on this YouTube video only. Crocktober 2024 giveaway. You will not be entered in the giveaway if you comment on Facebook, Instagram, or any of my other social media sites. Comment must be made in YouTube on this video only. More than one comment will not increase your chances of winning. While you are commenting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future giveaways or great videos. Eligible winner. Confirmation process. No one is a winner until Mama Needs a Goal officially confirms him or her as the winner in accordance with the rules. CommentPicker.com will be used to select the winner. Winner will be asked to email or text Mama Needs a Goal with their name and mailing information. In return, Mama Needs a Goal will send a code word to the email or text provided. Winner will then go to their original comment on this video and edit their comment with the code word. Once verification has been made, Mama Needs a Goal will send out the prize. Not sponsored. This giveaway is not sponsored or affiliated with YouTube or any product companies. Mama Needs a Goal is not responsible for lost or damaged items in the giveaway. Prizes are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for cash unless stated otherwise. Due to availability at the time of shipping, products may be substituted. Time frame to claim your prize. Please note that if the prize is not claimed within 30 days of being notified, you will forfeit the prize. After the 30-day period, Mama Needs a Goal reserves the right to select an alternative winner or retain the prize for future promotions. Be sure to respond promptly to ensure you receive your prize. These rules help ensure fairness, transparency, and compliance with state and federal regulations. I want to wish everyone good luck and thank you all so much for watching and all your support. Please don't forget, hit that little subscribe button and also check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Thanks, friends, and good luck.